Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla and today you are watching harisystems to know what current UPI charges in India. So with the help of ChatGPT, I'm trying to getting this information, and if you are watching first time this video lecture, please do subscribe and support for more interesting videos. Let's see. I just trying to asking ChatGPT is my query. Explain UPI charges in India. Let's see what the current scenario, how the charges are going to be. I would like to know with the help of AI tool. Yes, here a simple transaction information, what the information it is going to be supporting for us ChatGPT, we would like to know. So UPI is nothing but Unified Payments Interface, which is the real-time payment system developed by National Payment Corporation of India (NPCI) that enables instant transfer of funds between the bank across through the mobile devices using UPI payment gateway. UPI charges refers to the fee that are charged by the banks or payment service providers using UPI services. What these services and how it would be, let's see. Charges may apply. Transaction charges. UPI transactions are charged by the banks and payment service providers. The transaction charges can vary depending on the service provider and the type of transaction. Merchant discount rate (MDR). Merchants who accept the UPI payments may be charged a merchant discount rate, so which is a fee that is paid by the merchant for accepting UPI payments. And UPI pin generation charges. If a user forgets their UPI pin, they can regenerate it by paying a fee. The fee for UPI pin generation varies across different banks and payment service providers if they are charging. UPI app usage charges. Some banks and payments service providers may charge a fee for using their UPI app for certain features of app. It's important to note that not all UPI transactions attract charges, and a fee may vary depending on their bank or payment service provider. Additionally, the government of India has made a mandate that UPI transaction up to a certain limit are free of charge for a customers. That will be known very soon in India. If you feel this video lecture is helping you with the help of ChatGPT, please do subscribe and support for us for more interesting video lectures. And harisystems also offer a great online courses. Find the below links. Thank you.